Hello viewers, welcome to Tech Team. Today I will show you how to recall or unsend any sent mail in your Outlook. It only works if the person don't read the mail. First go to your Outlook. Let's send a mail. Now go to sent items. You can see the sent mail. Double click to it. Now beside move option you can see action. Click there. Here you can see recall this message or go to file, then click resend or recall, then recall this message. Now mark delete unread copies of this message. Then click OK. Now your mail has been unsent or recall. That's all. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you.